Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record rent payments in QuickBooks Online. Properly recording rent payments is important for keeping your financial records accurate and ensuring that all expenses are tracked correctly for your business. First, log in to your QuickBooks account and make sure you're in the correct company file. Being in the right account ensures that all transactions are recorded properly and reflect your actual financial activity. Next, tap on the New or Create icon at the top left corner of your dashboard. This is where you can access different types of transactions, including expenses, bills, and payments. From the options, start by picking the customer or vendor associated with the rent payment. Make sure you select the correct entity so that the transaction is applied to the right account. Then, choose the payment method you used, such as bank transfer, check, or credit card. Enter the payment date and the amount paid to ensure your records are precise. After that, fill in all the necessary details, including the category or expense account where the rent payment should be recorded, any memo or description to clarify the payment, and any other relevant fields. Double-check all information to make sure it's accurate and complete. Once you've reviewed all the details, click Save to record the transaction. QuickBooks will automatically update your financial records to reflect the rent payment. And that's it for today's video. By following these steps, you can keep your rent payments organized and your bookkeeping accurate. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.